Hey guys, we got this everlasting comfort cooling blanket used for the hot sleepers. So it's a dual-sided summer blanket and it's a cool, it's a cold like blanket. It's not hot blanket. So let's open this. We just want to test and try this and see how this work and how it feels. So this one is a light cooling bed throw, and you can see it's a very soft material here. And my first impression is very nice, like it's a very soft material, and have it's a dual. The stitching and everything looks fine here. You can see the quality. It's like bed throw stuff and very lightweight. So the design is also fine. It's very normal common design, and it's a dual sided. So this side and the this side both has a cool cloth, and it's like what I say is a superior cooling thing looks like. But let's try on the bed. So this is on the bed, and this is how is the length in the king bed. And when I just put in myself, it feels really cold. It's not a hot blanket, so it's pretty good for the summers and very nice soft material.